Alrighty, we're going to attempt to put in some Polaroid film into this Mamiya RZ67. So, you got it here. I'm just loaded up with some Portra 400. So we'll just take that back off. Little thing under there. There it goes. And there's the Polaroid back there. And this one's just going on. Line up the two little dots at the top there. Line them up, there it is. Lock that into place there. Then we're just going to push down on this, open that up, and there's the inside of the Polaroid. Here's my FP100C by Fuji. Take that out, there's the nice packet, and looks like we just sort of take this apart. This is where the video gets embarrassing, when I can't open a packet of film. I guess that's it there. Wow. Actually, it's pretty nice. Fujifilm. And there's all the pictures lined up ready to go in there. So this must be the old one. So this must just come out or something. Nope. It's kind of stuck in there. Hey, there it goes. So how does that work? That just pulls out. And there it goes. The simple is just putting the next one in like that, and I'm just going to leave this large black piece out, and I've got all the white pieces there as well. Close that up like that, and that's it, and we're pretty much ready to roll. So I'll probably just pull this tab out here, then there'll be another white tab, and then when I'm ready to shoot, dark slide out, pull the white tab, viewfinder, cock it, focus, and fire.